So guys, I'm discuss one of the most important topic is called how to create the smart display ads campaign. Suppose if you promote your website for other website, that mean by your website promoting for other website nothing but suppose you're creating for your website to the promote by other website. That mean by using for Google AdWords by option by Google AdSense. In this call, suppose any website will be approved by Google AdSense. This is called one of the option will be smart display campaign ads. Smart display campaign ads. So if you want to know about the smart display campaign ads, so anyway, if we go for images, these all will be smart display campaign ads. So how to create this ad in the particular website? I'm selecting for my website will be rocketechsolutions.com. So first of all, we can go to option will be Google AdWords option. So now we will open for the Google AdWords. Go to campaigns, create a new campaign. Select option will be, there are two options are there. Select your display, the standard display, smart display, Gmail. This will be applicable by without goals. Suppose you're selecting with the goals, selecting for display, here will be with goal option. We have two option will be there, with goal and without goal. Suppose you promote by your website traffic purpose, select the goal for website traffic. The option will be display and select by the standard display campaign, smart display campaign and Gmail campaign option. Suppose sale option will be display, three options. Lead generation, display will be three option. Suppose product and brand awareness, display will be only one option, that is only for your website link. Brand awareness and reach, display will be only for promote by which goal option. Only particular these three option will be promoting at a time for the three option: standard display, smart display campaign and Gmail campaign. First of all, selecting for smart display campaign here. Without website, we can't create the display ads. Select your website. Select your way you do like to reach your goal purpose. Continue. You are selected here where you can promote by particular place will be select. You can promote by all countries and specific countries or specific areas also will be promoted. Now I'm promoting for Hyderabad, Telangana, India option. Here, language will be promoting for one language or multiple language. Now I'm selecting for only for one language. Here, the lot of options are there. Conversion and conversion value. This mostly we can using for conversion purpose. Maximum conversion bill started to help to get most conversion for your budget. That mean by people come to here, click for open your particular websites. Now here, what is your each day budget? You can start minimum 500 to we can go for 1000 rupees to we can go for 1 lakh also will be budget is there. Now I'm selecting for 1000. Now it's showing for your budgeting, your bidding strategy will be here. In the right corner, we can check for your total traffic estimation. They will give all will be here. The based on your targeting settings, your clicks will be 3.1k to 14k. Conversion will be unavailable. They need not give the conversion rating. How much will be conversion volume here? Dynamic ad. Use data feed from personalized ads here. So in this education purpose, fights, hotel and rentals, job, local deals, property, retail, travel and others. You will be reminded to upload your feed when your campaign is ready. So this is a business types. Here clear? So this we can using for particular option will be here. If you not, just leave it this option. And particular ad group. So always remember, you always know about the campaign structure. I'll show the campaign structure here. So this is a campaign structure will be here. So use this campaign structure will be this option. Ad account, campaign, ad group. A list of keywords are there. Here, list of will be ads will be there. So in your particular option, reach for your people in this. Now here, in progress. Now you can add by your option. Finally, you will be ready. You can add by your images and videos. I can add by the video option and email logo option will be there. So in this will be showing to particular will be key format, image ad, text ad, and native ads. They're showing all options will be image ad and text ad and Google properties, all properties, YouTube, and this will showing for Google emails. So here this will be showing to the particular Gmail and also will be supporting for particular option. Select here, upload, choose your files, where your exact file is there. And save this option. Email will be selected. Two emails, two logo will be selected here. Here video option will be there. Video option we have to selecting for that in the YouTube URL option. So go to YouTube. So I'm using by video. So you can check it out. YouTube. The showing for YouTube will be here. So we can using for this ad. Video below and video above option for the search. Add your the particular will be accepted for 5 headlines will be here and long headline and 5 description will be accepted. Write your business name. After adding the content, I'll show that how is ad will be display the users. So here every option will be there. Now first you can see the ads. First of all, website and app. So here text ad, image ad, and finally you will be text ads. Next will be native ads. Next will be showing for video ads in the particular option where you can showing for website and app option. Here Google properties they're showing for YouTube and Gmail. So they're promoting website and app and Google properties where for Gmail and YouTube also. Display will be promoting for Gmail and YouTube also. If you are selecting YouTube will be here. The Google property website will be in the video ads. Video ad will show to the customer in the particular website. So how you can show to customer your particular ads here. Just I'm showing here. So any of your ads will be the showing will be like this to the particular users. So this is called, we will be showing to the particular website, the particular ad will be here. Any video I will be show to customer, this is will be smart campaign ads in the particular display. If anyone asking one question here, any ads will be approved by the ads will be here, that all will be display ads. That mean by here. You can show this one. Any people asking will be here. These are video ads. Here. Skip and non-skipper will be there. So finally, we'll close ad group. You can create a number of ads depending on your option will be here. So here, this particular ads will be here converting in this. You can see here, just open it. This all will be here, headline, description, every option will be there. So if you're writing 5 description, 5, everything will be writing for your particular option. So this ad will be showing to customer will be here. So where you can show in for website and app and Google properties also. Display will be supporting for Gmail and YouTube, and which website will be approved by the apps, and your website AdSense, they approved by the Google AdSense ads. That mean by your website will be promoting for other website, the using for display ads. If anyone asking one question, how you can promote your website for other website, that option will be using AdSense. The particular option will be there. We can use this option will be dynamic as use data feed for personalized ads purpose. So to the particular business types. So this all will be your particular option will be created by the in the dynamic ads option. So ad will be created here, apply changes and create the campaign option. Any campaign will be failure will be there. They give this one here. First of all, campaign goal is website traffic. The campaign type will be smart campaign. The budget will be per day 1000. The bid strategy will be maximize conversion. Language will be English. Location will be Hyderabad. So there will be no end date for the particular campaign option. So click for continue to campaign option will be here. So this is a way to you can create the campaign on the smart display ads campaign. The ad will be shown to customer will be YouTube, Gmail, website and mobile apps to the show the particular ads. Ads will be like this. So this is called create the smart campaign ads in the particular campaign structure. And one more question, when you create any campaign here, suppose anything you want to change when you are running the campaign time, you can change the campaign will be there in a particular campaign. Just click for edit and the plus symbol of edit button and change by your option and update your description. Everything will be there in a particular Google AdWords. So this all will be campaign structure to the edit option will be there in the running campaign also. So anytime will be running, the ad will show the customer will be like this. So always remember, any ad we approve by the how we can show to the website and then mobile, we can checking all will be there in the campaign structure option. These all will be particular ads. So here, in this all ads will be here. Text will be there and like this. This is all we approve by where, which website approved by the Google Ads. The ad we show to customer will be in the display format. So this is called smart display ads in the Google AdWords campaign option.